Join me as I dive into the challenge of making faceless money on YouTube using AI secrets. Can I really pull this off? Imagine having a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face on camera. It sounds like a dream come true, right? No more worrying about how you look, no more fear of being recognized in public, and no more pressure to be perfect on camera. But can it really be done? Many creators are hesitant to show their faces on camera due to privacy concerns. You might be thinking, what if my employer finds out, or what if my family sees me? These are all valid concerns that can hold people back from creating content online. Others might be worried about performance anxiety. What if they stumble over their words, or their hair looks bad that day? Then there's the fear of being judged or criticized. What if viewers don't like the way you look, or what if they judge you based on your appearance? These fears can be overwhelming, and they can stop people from pursuing their dreams of becoming a YouTuber. But what if I told you that there's a way to overcome all these fears and challenges? Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, and it's now possible to create high-quality content without ever showing your face on camera. AI tools can synthesize your voice, generate videos, and even edit them for you. It's like having a team of experts working for you without the need for human interaction. One AI tool that's been gaining popularity is voice synthesis software. This technology allows you to create high-quality audio tracks that sound just like a human voice. You can use it to create voiceovers for your videos or even entire podcasts. Another tool is video generation software, which can create entire videos for you based on a script or a few keywords. It's like having your own personal video production team at your fingertips. Automated editing tools are also becoming more advanced, allowing you to edit your videos quickly and easily. These tools can trim, cut, and arrange your clips for you, saving you hours of time and effort. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. So, let me ask you, have you ever wondered how some YouTubers are able to grow their channel so rapidly without ever showing their faces on camera? It's because they're leveraging the power of AI to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. One example is a channel that I came across recently, which uses AI to generate their entire videos. They've grown their channel to over 1 million subscribers in just a few months, without ever showing their face on camera. What's even more impressive is that this channel uses a combination of AI tools to create their content. They use voice synthesis software to create their voiceovers, video generation software to create their videos, and automated editing tools to edit them. It's a fully automated system that allows them to focus on what matters most, creating high-quality content for their audience. The potential of using AI for faceless content creation is huge. It opens up opportunities for people who were previously held back by fear or anxiety. It allows them to focus on creating high-quality content without the need for human interaction. And it presents a new way of creating content that's faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. So, what do you think about faceless YouTube channels? Do you think AI has the potential to change the game for creators who want to remain anonymous? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about growing a successful YouTube channel, check out my other video, where I have tell you ways to earn money with freelancing.